Why is MHC presentation essential for adaptive immunity? Imagine your immune system as a vigilant security team constantly watching over your body. Now, how does this team know exactly what to look for? The answer lies in a special process called major histocompatibility complex presentation. This process is like a display case that shows tiny pieces of proteins from inside your cells or from outside invaders. These pieces are called peptides. When these peptides are shown on the surface of cells, T cells can see them clearly. Without this display, T cells would be blind to what's happening inside your body. MHC molecules are the proteins that hold these peptides and present them on the cell surface. There are two main types of MHC molecules. MHC class I molecules are found on almost all cells with a nucleus. They show peptides from proteins made inside the cell, like viral proteins if the cell is infected. This helps cytotoxic T cells, also called CD8+ T cells, identify and destroy infected or abnormal cells. MHC class Roman II molecules are mainly on specialized cells called antigen-presenting cells, like macrophages, dendritic cells, and B cells. They present peptides from proteins that have been ingested from outside the cell. This presentation activates helper T cells, or CD for plus T cells, which then coordinate other parts of the immune response. T cells only recognize antigens when they are displayed by MHC molecules. They have specific receptors that bind to a particular peptide MHC complex. This means the immune system can target only the cells showing the right peptides. Without MHC presentation, T cells wouldn't be able to detect infected or abnormal cells, and the immune response would not be triggered. This specificity helps the immune system tell the difference between the body's own cells and dangerous invaders. The genes that make up MHC molecules are highly diverse. This diversity means different people can present different sets of peptides from pathogens. It increases the chance that the immune system can respond to many different infections. This genetic variation is important for the survival of populations, especially as pathogens evolve. MHC presentation is also vital for vaccines. Vaccines work by introducing antigens that are presented by MHC molecules to activate T cells. This prepares the immune system to fight real infections more effectively. In cancer treatments, T cells recognize tumor antigens presented by MHC molecules, helping to target and destroy cancer cells. When it comes to organ transplants, matching MHC molecules between donor and recipient reduces the risk of rejection. In summary, MHC presentation acts as a communication bridge between cells and T cells. It shows what's happening inside cells, allowing the immune system to respond precisely. Without this process, the adaptive immune system would not be able to identify threats accurately or mount targeted attacks. It's the key to how your body keeps itself safe from infections and abnormal cells.